Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos to save them in your local files without the watermark. So before we begin, please take your time to gently hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to help me grow my channel. So a little background on why I'm doing this video is I just found out the other day that when you post a TikTok video on Instagram, the video is not propagated well enough because TikTok and Instagram are kind of competing. So Instagram will not promote TikTok videos that much. So you need to, before you post a TikTok video on Instagram, just remove the TikTok watermark. And this video will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So go into your TikTok, and on a video that you want to download, for example this video, go to this arrow down here, tap on that arrow, then go to copy link here. So link copied, you can see up there the link is copied. So the link is copied. So you go back, then you go to your browser, then you type in Snaptic like that. Click on that, then you go to here, the first link there, then you paste the link that you copied from TikTok here. Paste that link like that, then click on download. So please wait for a moment. So you can choose the video type here, whether full HD. So I usually just click on full HD here, then you can see downloading file. So go to your files, my files, like that. You can see recent files just now here. There is the video without the TikTok watermark, and you can see it's a very interesting video. People are being hit so bad. Please like this video, share it with other people. I know I've given you a tip on how to post your videos on Instagram without the TikTok watermark. These people are really being hit. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and share this video with your friend.